Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this 8x10 canvas from Walmart. I removed the staples and the canvas from the frame. I'll just be using the frame for this project. I brush on Antique Wax by Waverly on the entire frame and then use a baby wipe to blend it all in. When the frame is completely dry, I line up these craft sticks to see how many I need across the back of it. And I ended up needing 6 for across the back, and I cut just the ends of the craft sticks off so they fit within the frame and not stick over the edge. I then take 2 more craft sticks, so I ended up using 8 total. I cut them down and hot glue them along the other stir sticks that I have lined up. Next, I take that piece off for now, and I'm using the antique wax again, brushing that on the entire thing, and again blending it in with the baby wipe. I then am taking this bunny garland and vinyl that I got from Dollar Tree. I cut a piece of the vinyl, and I'm just using the bunny garland, just one of the pieces, for tracing, and I trace out 3 bunnies and cut out those pieces. I then take the frame with the craft stick backing and place that down. I'm not hot gluing it down yet, I just need to see where to place the bunny stickers. I get them all lined up where I'm going to want them to see where I need to have them fit within the frame. And then just take another piece of the vinyl, just helps remove the vinyl from the backing. And I place down each of those. I do need to adjust them after I have them all placed down just to get the spacing correct. I then set that frame aside, and I'm taking a craft sponge and I'm dabbing on Plaster chalk paint by Waverly around the entire front. I use my heat tool to dry that paint completely and then remove the vinyl stickers. Next, I'm taking this macrame cord I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm taking that and I'm wrapping it around one of those jumbo craft sticks about 7 times. I then take another piece of the macrame and pull it apart to just get a small string from it, and then pull that looped cord off of the craft stick and tie that small piece that I pulled apart around the center of those loops. After I tie that around nice and tight, I go in with my scissors and cut those loops on either end. After I have all of those cut, I spread apart the cord, just pulling the strings so it's all separated. Once I have that all separated, I go in and trim a bunch of that off. I do trim it down pretty small. I want it to be a smaller tail to fit within the bunny, and I do make 3 of these. Next, I am adding hot glue around the edge of that painted piece and then placing the frame on top of that, making sure to get the bunnies lined up evenly in the center of the frame. I then hot glue each of those tails to the bunnies. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.